Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, it's June 21st, 2020, and what is that? It's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. We're having a little family celebration here today. We just ate, I'll insert a video of some of the food we have. Having a family celebration. Look at all this food. We have lasagna, we have sausage and potatoes and onions, rice balls, we have turkey with gravy rolled up with stuffing in it. We have a Caesar salad, we have pepperoni bread, and everybody is hungry. We're outside in the porch, the enclosed porch, and I wanted to get a picture of all this food before everybody dives in. Everybody's done eating, and they're all just sitting around the table in my back porch, chit-chatting. The cameraman is entertaining them. I think I have enough leftovers to give everybody something to take home and to last me for the week. But what can I tell you? I'm Italian, and that's what we do. And now we're getting ready to have dessert. I took a video of that for you too, down below. Oh, it's time for Father's Day dessert, the Diva's favorite part of the day. Dawn brought over a rainbow cake. I love rainbow cakes. And look at these. These are from Trader Joe's. They're cheesecake filled almond cones. They look scrumptious. Ooh, they're getting very... Live TV! Well, that one broke, but it's little almond cheesecake cones. And over here, we have some little pretzel candies that Dawn made. And over here is a new Trader Joe's pie. It's a lemon chess pie with shortbread crust. So everybody is full, but you know, there's always room for dessert. Everybody's gonna come up and we're gonna have some dessert. And maybe if we're lucky, at the end of this video, I'll be able to show you a snippet of the dads. So stay tuned. Oh, here's my son-in-law, Jason, getting ready to have dessert. Happy Father's Day, Jason.
Happy Father's Day, Baking Diva.
Oh, and here's the boys. When they hear dessert, they come running.
Lucas, where's Brown?
There's Lucas, Aaron, Kyle, Jake in the background there. There's always room for dessert, right, Lucas? What are you eating? And these Aunt Dawn made?
Rainbow cake.
Yeah.
It's just colored.
Yummy.
The almond in
They have
Here we have another dad here, Jerry.
Hello.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Thank
You've
you
met
very
him
much.
before in previous videos.
Yes.
That's Jason's
It's
dad.
almost like a toffee.
My little boy's over there.
Your little boy.
Who's bigger than me?
Oh,
Yeah, I
look.
would like a
Here's
taste of both.
father and son. There's the cameraman in red,
Piece.
and my son Scott in
Get on
stripe. Happy Father's Day, dads.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go have dessert now.
Okay.
Hey, cameraman, what are you eating over there? With your Marist College t-shirt on. He went to Marist College.
Okay.
And his hat on. In Poughkeepsie, New York.
Uncle Giuseppe's. And
I was dating him when he was in that school. Mm-hmm.
That's right.
That's right. I used to ride up there on the weekends,
It's worth the trip. You'll
visit
enjoy
him.
it.
Happy Father's Day, dads.
Happy Father's Day.
And they, oh, look it, I just noticed we have those two dads over there wearing green, the two of them. That's Jason and his dad, Jerry.
Color coordinated.
And there's cameraman, smile cameraman. And my son Scott. Are you all having a great day?
Yes,
Great
we
day.
are.
Great day.
Did you have a
Everything was
lot of good
fabulous.
food to eat?
Yes,
And
we are.
desserts? Okay.
Plan to quarantine 15.
Oh, yes. And hopefully next year we won't have to do much social distancing, right?
There you go.
All right. Okay.
Even though we didn't
Do
right now.
much today, right? All right. Well, here's to another year, and I'll film you again next year.
Thank you very much
Toodles.
for
Thank
everything.
you.
All right. Toodles.
Good job, Nate.
Lucas. Where's Lucas? And you having fun, Lucas, today? Oh, and there's Brownie barking. That's the new addition to our family. Hi, Brownie. Oh, look at Brownie. Phyllis has a doggy bag she's taken home, and Brownie smells what's in it. Brownie, what's in there? What's in that bag?